Let me just say, another unboxing, LV a la Moana. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Sweet Lay, with another unboxing for you. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button below. Thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, or any comment. Let me know what you think of these. So, here we go. So as you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Went there yesterday and saw this beauty. Had to have it. Yes, beautiful orange box. We know what it is. Yes, and you can tell by the size it's quite large as we open it. So what do we get here? Do we get another pair of mules, slides, heels, boots? I guess we're gonna open up this huge box and see. This is an item that I know I'll definitely use quite a bit, considering we'll be splitting our time between two different states. But that's another story in itself. So here we go. Yes. This on the side. Oh my goodness. I was super excited. When I saw this particular item online, it was so funny. I told myself, no, you're not. You're not going to do it. You're not going to go ahead and get this. You're not going to even look at it. Just because I already knew I was going to give in and probably get it. Well, here we go. So it is quite big. It was actually quite heavy, believe it or not, when I got it. But look at these babies. Yes, I broke down and I got them. Yes, the LV rain boots. I am in love with these. Like I said, right when I saw it, I was like, there's no way. I am not going to even look at them. I'm not going to even put it in my mind. But of course, you know how that goes for all us LV lovers. It's always in the back of your mind. And this one was. Then I went to the store to look at another item I was looking at wanting to purchase. And suggestion, if you are going to get anything, and if you're fortunate enough to be able to live near a Louis Vuitton boutique store, whatever you want to call it, before you purchase a bag you see online, one, measure out the items that you want in there, especially our phones. Two, if you have the opportunity, go to the boutique or store and ask the sales associate if you can look at the item, if they have it in stock, if not, a similar item. And then take things that you want to put in that particular bag to make sure it fits. For me, it was the Neo Nano, and I'm so happy I was able to go there. I was so happy that she actually let me look at something similar because they were out of the one they had. So I'm glad I didn't purchase it. I wanted to look at it first. And guess what? My phone case with my phone would not have fit. So I would have been so bummed if I had purchased it and found out that my phone did not work in it. So again, if you have that opportunity and chance, go to a boutique or store and look at it. If not, get out your measuring tape and measure the item or the items that you want inside to make sure they'll fit. But so didn't get that, and instead asked, let's go upstairs and take a look at the shoes. And then I saw these babies and I went, oh my God, you said you weren't gonna look at them. You said no, no, no. And I broke down. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's very unassuming. Thick rubber heel. What I love about it is that I can rinse them off with water, just shoot water on it, because that's what it's made for, to clean them off. Super cute. I had leggings on, so I used my leggings to try them on. Again, super, super cute. Love them. So this is the new purchase, is the LV rubber boots. I know they don't call them rubber boots, or they do. There's another name for it. And I will make sure that I do put it down, put it below, and that in my comments, or actually in the description box, I will definitely make sure that I put the right names to this. Again, the LV rubber boots. I am so simply in love. I cannot wait to wear this. And you can wear this in, it doesn't matter if it rains where you live or if it doesn't. These beauties are just so cute. They kind of remind me of a low riding boot, if that makes any sense to you. But yeah, look at, again, look at, yes, gorgeous. But this is the new item I got. So again, subscribe, hit the like, or any comments.